Today's our topic is modern electronic communication system. Okay, in this topic we are going to study what is communication, that is basic communication system, and then types of communication system, analog communication system, types of modulation, that is AM, FM, PM, etc. Then digital communication system, radar communication system, satellite communication system, etc. Now start from basic communication system. See first what is communication. Communication means exchanging of information. But what is information? Information is any type of information like audio files, video files, any types of documents. As we know, we are doing chatting on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, like that. So information is any type of video files, audio files, etc. In communication, basic communication system, that type of information is first converted into the electrical signal using transducer. So transducer is an electronic device which convert one form of energy into the another form. Like light is converted into the electrical signal, sound is converted into the electrical signal, any types of documents are converted into the binary data or any type of coding data in the form of pulses, etc. So using transducer, information is converted into the electrical signal. Now see, in block diagram of basic communication system, first block is transmitter. Human information is first converted into the electrical signal using transducer. So what is the function of transmitter? Function of transmitter is it convert electrical signal into the electromagnetic waves, or in the it can be modulated signal, original signal, and then transmitted to the communication channel. So what is communication channel? Communication channel means medium. It can be wired or wireless medium. Wired medium means it can be optical fiber, it can be optical fiber, or it can be coaxial cable. Or wireless medium means electromagnetic spectrum, that is electromagnetic waves, etc. So sometimes noise can be added into the communication channel or medium. This noise means unwanted disturbance or unwanted interference that can be eliminated by using electronics circuits. So at the receiver end, this transmitted signal through communication channel are received by the receiver, and again it is demodulated. If at the transmitter side electrical signals are modulated, then at the receiver side that signal is demodulated and it is again converted into the electrical form. So what is the function of receiver? It receives signals from communication channel and then it is demodulated or it convert into the electrical form. That signals are again using transducer it converted into the original form, like electrical signals are converted into the sound or into the video files. So here we use two types of transducer at the transmitter side and at the receiver side. At the transmitter side, human information is converted into the electrical signal, and at the receiver side electrical signals are converted into the original form, that is in the form of documents, in the form of audio signals, etc. So this is our basic communication system. In this way we can communicate from one device to another device, or we can communicate one person to another person using electronics device. One question repeatedly asked: explain basic communication system with block diagram. So we have to write this diagram and information in detail. So if you have any doubt on this topic, you can comment me, and at the next video we will see types of communication like analog communication, digital communication, full duplex, simplex, etc.